William stands beneath the learning tree as a single leaf flickers violently. It shifts from vibrant green to deep orange, then to snowy white and pink blossom in mere seconds. Chewy retreats, his ears flattened in fear, while Bubbles clucks at the leaf as it flashes a chaotic rainbow hue. William steps forward and says this leaf is changing seasons way too fast. Suddenly, the WonderGate creaks. A pulse of green-gold light radiates from the ancient wood. A new symbol emerges on the gate, a leaf partitioned into 4 distinct sections. It pulses in a steady, rhythmic cycle. Glowing sprites drift out, scattering seasonal sparkles everywhere. William nods and says, "It is a season's adventure." Bubbles pecks the symbol, and the gate swings open with a rush of air. The trio shrinks, stepping into the unknown. They step into a grove, divided into 4 clashing zones. Snow piles up in the summer field while blossoms wilt in the winter hollow. William points to the chaos and says, "We need to put the seasons back in order." Chewy sniffs at a pile of misplaced orange leaves, while Bubbles hops between falling snowflakes and spring petals. A stone tablet rises from the ground, displaying 4 seasonal icons. Glowing sprites circle them, jingling, match the season signs. William reaches out, touching a blossom, which drifts toward the spring meadow. Chewy uses his nose to nudge a sunspark into the summer field. Bubbles pecks an orange leaf, sending it spinning into the autumn path. Finally, a snow sparkle settles into the winter hollow. The tablet remains dim. William realizes the sequence is wrong. "Wait, it is a cycle," he says. He slides the icons into a line: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Chewy shoves the fall icon into its slot, and Bubbles taps the winter symbol with her beak. The grove erupts in blinding light, and each section settles into its natural state. The sprites swirl in a celebratory dance. William watches the light and says, "Seasons change in a circle. Spring, summer, fall, winter, and then it starts again." The trio returns to their normal size in the backyard. The leaf on the tree stops its frantic cycle, settling into a calm summer green. William touches the tree and says, "We fixed the seasons." Suddenly, a vibration comes from his backpack. He pulls it open to see a new emblem, a glowing WonderGate crest. William looks at the gate and says, "The WonderGate wants to show us something big."